So, Steve, new Triumph Rocket 3, obviously the original one, 2.3 litre engine, largest production motorcycle at the time.
Wasn't quite enough, was it?
Yeah, why did you make it bigger? What was the point? Why did you make it bigger? There you go, there's your question.
Well, why wouldn't you? I mean, you know, at the end of the day, the Rocket has got to be the ultimate motorcycle. So, in terms of having something that's got like real presence and you know, performance and stuff that just kind of blows people's mind, why not go to 2.5 litres?
That's a good answer. I have no comeback for that. Obviously now it's bigger, but you've also made it lighter and made it handle better as well. Is that right?
Yeah, so it's 40 kilos lighter than the old one, you know, which is, you know, a small person at the end of the day. A proportion of that has come out of the engine. A lot of it's come out of the chassis. It's got an aluminium frame on it now. The weight is about 291 kilos dry. So yeah, it's been on a bit of a diet.
Bit of a diet, more speed, less weight. So the looks are still pure Rocket, really. It still looks like an evolution of the old bike. What was the main aim? What was the main aim when you developed the new Rocket 3? You started with the 2.3 litre one, you went, right, what's our target with the new bike?
So the target really was not just to, you know, increase the capacity and kind of really wow people with that kind of stuff, but it was to make it into like a real rider's bike. So, you know, the old Rocket was a great bike, it was a fabulous bike, but in terms of chassis dynamics, things have moved on in the world, and I think what we really wanted to do was to demonstrate to people how much Triumph's engineering capability has moved on since we designed the last one, because I think the previous Rocket was 2004, so you know, it's 15 years ago now, and over that period of time, Triumph's learned quite a lot about how to make bikes handle, how to make them lighter, you know, how to make them look better, getting decent finishes on the bike, trying to hide all the cables away so you can't see any of that stuff. So, you know, this is really just a reflection of, you know, the development of Triumph as a company, I think, over those 15 years.
It's a lot hanging on this bike then. So, I mean, the proof's going to be in the ride-in.
Yep.
What would you say is your favourite standout feature about the riding experience of the new Rocket?
I think people are going to be genuinely surprised about how you can throw this bike around going through a twisty set of roads. I mean, of course, everybody expects something like a street triple or a speed triple to be a great bike to handle around, you know, tight twisty lanes and fast A roads and stuff like that. But I think what people are going to find with this is that it handles so much better than people are ever going to expect it to.
I, for one, can't wait to ride it. Faster, better handling, and the pinnacle of Triumph's current engineering abilities. It's a bold claim. Can't wait to put it to the test.